Hi guys, welcome back to Lennox Bennett, Matt King Station. Welcome. Today we're looking at standard form. Again, guys, you are always encouraged to try. Alright, so we specifically looking at standard form. A problem that students have with standard form is that students do not know when to raise it to the positive or negative power. So hopefully this video will help you guys to alleviate that problem. Alright, before we start the video, guys, just hit the like button because you know it's Mr. Bennett, so it's going to be awesome. This will be a very short video, so let's get right into it. Alright, so it says for each of these questions, choose the option A, B, C, or D that is true. And the first one says 213.49 in standard form is. Alright, so we're going to put it to standard form. But before we begin, standard form must be between 0 and 10. Alright, so bear that in mind. So we can only have like 1 point something. It has to be a single digit number. Alright, can't be a digit, double digit like 10, 11, and so on. Alright, and it can't be 0 either. Notice I say between. So it's always going to be something like this. Has to be. Alright, so we literally have 9 options. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to take the decimal point from right here to right here. And what we're going to do, we're going to count the number of places that we move. So let's go. So it's 1, 2. So therefore we write 2.1349 multiplied by 10 to the number of places we move the decimal point. Now we moved it 2 places to our left, so that's 2. Alright, so what I normally tell my students, because my students normally do very well with this, what I normally tell them, we're going to multiply. See, when you multiply this by this, you get this, right? Now, if we should multiply 2.1349 by 100, we'd actually get 230. Alright, so this would be our answer. We don't need to put it to the negative because the negative would indicate that the decimal point is to the left. Now, the decimal point is located, the original one that is located 2 spaces to the right, right? Because the original number was this. Let me just write it in my file. 1, 3, 4, 9. So if we were to move back to the original, coming from here, we'd have to move 1, 2 to our right. So that is correct. So for this one, it would be E. Alright, so let's move on to number 2. Now it says 0.03249 in standard form to 3 significant figure is. So they put a little twist to it. So it has the significant figure also. Alright. So first, what we're going to do, we're going to put it in standard form first, and then we figure out a significant figure. Oh, that's so. But guys, remember, this is Mr. Bennett channel, so you guys are always encouraged to try. Alright? So you're gonna try. Alright, let's go. So let us arrive at where the decimal point is gonna end up. Let's go, guys. Let's go. What's the answer? Type it in, man. Type it in fast. Alright. So let's go. Our decimal point is gonna come right here, right? Because remember we discussed up there, it can only be 1.2.3.4.5. Alright, so let's go. So it's 1, 2. So we knew that we moved 2 places. So our original number, no, our new number is 3.249. Now they say that they wanted 3 significant figures, right? So what it is, 1, 2, 3. So this is our third number. So what we do, we go immediate to the right. Now this is 9. So once it's greater than 5, 5 are equal. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. We're gonna add 1, so it is 3, 0.25 times 10 to the number of places that we move. Now we move 2 places here. Alright, but this one is different from the previous one, right? Now because the decimal point is located, the original one is located 2 places to the left, that means we're going to be put it negative, because in the end it's going to go back there. So when you move 2 places, 10 to the minus 2, you're going to move 2 places, 1, 2, and then you get by the original. So for this one, the answer would be 3.25 times 10 to the minus 2. Alright, hit the like button if you're just joining. This is Lennox Bennett Channels. Ensure that you are subscribed. Alright. Alright, this one now, it says 0.045 times 10 to the minus 3 in scientific notation is. So they want to tell you, they want you to tell them how that will be written in scientific notation. Alright, so let's go. So it's 10 to the minus 3. So we'll move 1, 2. So we're gonna move 2 places. So that's 2 places. That's 4.5 times 10 to the minus 2 times 10 to the minus 3. Right? We know that when the base is the same, we add the powers. So that will be 4.5 times 10 to the minus 2 plus minus 3. Alright? So our final answer, let me just put up in that I want you guys to see. So it would be 4.5 times 10 to the minus, since both of them are positive, both negative, we add the powers. Alright, so that's 4.5 times 10 to the minus 5. Alright, so guys, notice all of them are a bit different. It's also awesome. Right, let's proceed. This one now, it says 0.36 in standard form. 0.36 square in standard form is. Alright, so basically guys, I know that we should get 4 decimal places. Since it should be 4 decimal places, since we're gonna have 0.36. You know the rule already when you're multiplying decimal, right? Completely ignore the decimal point, multiply it, and then you put back 4 decimal places. So this is 2 and this is 2. So 2 and 2 make 4. So when we square it first, this is what we're gonna get. It seems that this 36 times 36 is 1296. So I'm gonna write that. Write it first. Alright? And then now the 4 decimal place, so we start here, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So that will be 0.1296 when we multiply this. Now to write it in standard form, we need to get it right. So we're gonna move 1 place. So that's 1.296 times 10. Where was it originally? To the left of the 1, so that's to the negative 1, right? And that would be our answer. So this one would be. Hit the like button, guys. Hit the like button. Can you guys solve number 5? Should I leave number 5? It should be. What will be the answer for this, guys? I'm going to give you guys 30 seconds to type in the answer. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, guys, let's go. Hit the like button, hit the like button. So 4.2 times 10 to the minus 2 is the number. No calculators, let's go, let's go. What do we do when we are multiplying by a negative index? Let's go, guys. Let's go. Alright, let's go. Gonna do the answer. And guys, remember, if you want to be a part of a class, my number is 876-549-2161. Hit me up and we can do Csec, PEP, SCA, whatever class you may be doing. Alright? We got people them in Trinidad, Tobago, Ghana, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, all of those places, Grenada, Bahamas, Cayman. Big up everybody, alright? Much love from Jamaica, man. One love, one love. Alright, guys, so let's go. So let me write the number so we have more space. So we have 4.2 times 10 to the minus 2. So what we know that we're going to go 2 place. The decimal point, that is 2 place to our left because it's negative. Just think about the number line. That's what it's based upon. Nobody told me this, you know what I just know. Yeah, absolutely. Alright. So if it's negative, you're going to your left, right? To the left of 0. If it's positive, you're going to your right. So we're going to move 2 places. So let's go 1. Alright. So we're going to say now 1, 2. So that would be 0.042. So that would be the value. And put the decimal place. So in the end, it would be, no, not this one, this one. This one over 0 in front of the 4. Alright. So guys, thank you so much for watching this very short video. Hope you guys, if you want to be a part of my class, and guys, please don't text me and say if it's free. I'm already doing on YouTube free. It would be very difficult to have Zoom classes 3 times per week. Alright, so guys, just hit me up, WhatsApp me. I might be at school because I teach at a public school also. And then I have my private class. But shoot me a WhatsApp. Doesn't matter where in the world you are, right? And I will respond as soon as I possibly can. This is an exponent. I'm out, no doubt. See you guys in another video.